Welcome back. Now from the home page, what we're first going to do is we're going to take a look at the pricing as of the recording of this video. And you'll be able to see the prices for a monthly breakdown depending on whether you intend to pay for the courses on an annual basis or a monthly basis. What you'll notice is that if you choose to pay for the courses month by month, the price is going to be slightly higher than if you pay for it on an annual basis. Again, you'll notice that in all of the pricing, unlimited videos, unlimited courses, and unlimited hosting are all a part of your Teachable program. Also, you'll have integrated payment processing. You'll be able to manage your students, create quizzes, as well as not be charged for any free courses that you create. Now you can start the process with a limited course by clicking this link that says Get Started. What you'll then need to do is to write in some identifying information. You're then going to create the name of a school. You'll then create a new school. Teachable then collects some information and you'll be asked to answer some questions. You'll see a message at the top when you log in that you'll be asked to verify your account information. You'll then want to log in through the link in your email. And then your free trial school will then be created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.